And now I give the floor to the delegation of Indonesia. Indonesia, you have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Excellency Director General Darren Tang, Excellencies and distinguished delegates. Indonesia aligns itself with the statement delivered on behalf of the Asia and the Pacific Group. In this opportunity, Indonesia would like to congratulate Mr. Darren Tang once again on his appointment as the Director General of WIPO and his excellent leadership in the past year. Indonesia welcomes the MTSP 2022-2026 and the proposed program and budget for the next biennium that focus on real impacts on the ground to showcase the benefits of IP for everyone, everywhere. We also commend WIPO's response to COVID-19 as reflected in the program and budget to support WIPO's commitment to undertake an effective global response to the pandemic. Indonesia remains committed to continue collaboration with WIPO and WIPO member states. We look forward to the implementation of various projects in Indonesia, including the country plan for technical cooperation between WIPO and Indonesia, as well as various ongoing projects related to creative economy, brands and design, SMEs, and startups. Indonesia also looks forward for the implementation of cooperation between Indonesia and IRIPO via the WIPO Match program. Mr. Chair, cognizant of the challenges posed by the pandemic, Indonesia reaffirms its commitment to constructively engage in all WIPO committees and normative setting activities. Indonesia continues to support all normative work, in particular the work of the IGC, and welcomes the new IGC mandate to be adopted by this Assembly. In this opportunity, we would like to reiterate our commitment to host the diplomatic conference for the Design Law Treaty. Indonesia hopes that remaining gaps could be expeditiously closed so that a decision on diplomatic conference could be discussed. Finally, let me conclude by affirming Indonesia's full support and cooperation in rendering this assembly a success. I thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Madam, for your contribution on behalf of Indonesia. And now